as you can see outside, a little snowy. So what I'm doing, I'm just getting these holes ready because they're gonna pour 130 yards today, and everything's not ready. So that's what we're doing because my dad is likes to push. Instead of make money though, so that's what we're doing. Today you're gonna see a lot of random shit. I don't know what else to put in that one. Oh, there's the man himself. Look at this. There he is. How much do you think we could piss him off right now?
We could probably piss him off pretty good.
Am I working? I'm always working. What are we doing? I'm planning to go to Florida.
Yeah, they don't have this in Florida.
I don't even wear these hats. I'm not a skater. Can I have a latte? Don't hurt my feelings, dog. What's going on today? You can see what's going on. I think winter's coming. Look, see the snow? Hurry up and put concrete back in because it's getting cold. You know, as long as it's the ambient air temperature isn't below freezing, you're fine.
The more you know.
The blankets are basically plastic blankets. They've got a little insulation in there that'll help keep the heat, retain the heat inside the concrete. Concrete generates heat, so as long as we can keep it in there, it'll stay nice and warm.
Oh yeah, hello?
Yeah.
I'll take a large number 7 from Wendy's, for sure.
The one why steel's up. Reno just came in here about, I don't know, 2 hours ago and ripped the road. You should not, like you shouldn't, it's definitely unsafe for everybody to leave steel. Just sticking up like this is super unsafe. Usually when we come through and grade it, we'll bend it down. No, you definitely don't. It actually happens a lot. Like you just trip and you're sitting. So that's why the steel's sticking up in the air like that.
Sick.
If you're curious, everybody. 7.3. He's doing all right. To 145,000 miles on it. It's really low for something. You guys don't know, I have a 6.0 front end conversion swap kit. I piece it all together myself. I have the header panel, the bumper, the grill, and the lights. So, moving a 6.0 look pretty sweet. I think it's new tires for it. The tires are pretty shot. But other than that, it's running pretty good. No glow plug issues. Starts up in the cold pretty well. The one issue is the front end. I don't know if it's death wobble or something, but it's not consistent. Randomly, the whole steering wheel will shudder and go kind of crazy. Just kind of ignore it. It's not safe. Great $5,000 truck. I don't know. I made like 3 years ago.
$5 grand. What an investment.
I've had no issues while I'm working. It has some like, the only issue I've had with it, which is my fault, is I blew a transit. Because I'm an idiot though. I can't help it. I did like 4 burnouts in a row. Didn't like it.
So what about all the Chevy and Dodge dudes out there?
What about them? No, I like everything, dude. All the trucks are cool. Everything works great. It's just what you prefer. Besides Dodge's whole everything but the engine Cummins kind of deal. I almost bought a Cummins, but I didn't. Everything's a good truck. I'm telling you right now, everything's a good truck. Especially anything for $5 grand that runs and makes you money. It's a good truck. Whatever. I don't care what anybody says. It's all preference, really. I just think that Ford makes the best work.
So what you're saying is you don't need the newest, shiniest, most chromest truck ever.
Like a brand new Platinum. It was stupid. I'll be fine with it. No, you won't. You make more money with these old shit. Okay, learn from me. I'm an idiot. It didn't work very well. You'll spend all this money and they'll perform better. Like you'll tow better and it'll be smoother, nicer ride. Yeah, all leather. And I want a new truck. Don't say I don't. I want a new one. That's my new goal. I want a new truck. But for a work truck, if you have a new truck, you're not gonna want to scratch. You won't just shit in there. You're not fast. You're losing money at that point. Every second counts. Every minute counts. This thing, you're like, go, let's go. Get in here. Everyone come in. I used to put garbage bags down for people to come to my truck because I didn't want them to scratch my leather. Are you kidding me? No one's heard about it in a while, so it is tuned. I'd stop you on the 7.3 though. Just the job done. So you guys should get an old 7.3 work truck. I believe it.
Yeet.
That machine's so boring all the time.
It is.
You're just like, oh, it's depressing almost. You're like, all right, well. Oh. Almost.
The sword and the stone.
Yeah, King Arthur in this bitch.
Put it in the red truck. Do something.
We're smarter now. The machine work is like always key. So your guy knows how to run a machine, let him run the machine. Don't be like, oh, you gotta do it by hand, you gotta work. It takes a lot of time. Common sense. You see that we have machines always in the grade. We bought the John Deere specifically for the grade because we're gonna go fast. Who's in my triple? What the hell? Why are you always stealing, dirt? What are you stealing? All the time. Don't do it. I'll help you.
Damn, dog.
¿Quién es tu hermano? It's too bad for hell, damn.
Yeah.
Hell, the only thing I wouldn't even make it a hill because they don't even would have ice cold beer down there. That's the only thing I wouldn't make it. Other than that, that's the only thing that would bug me.
That thing's what, government regulated, right?
Yeah.
Like-
It's radioactive.
Yeah.
So keep your distance. Still want to have kids. Stay away.
I figured you'd have sat on that thing quick. We can put a little lube on top for you.
Said sat on it. This fool said, I just thought about it. What you mean sat on
You
it?
should not reproduce.
I already had like 7 feet of them.
It took you like a good 30 secods for sitting on that to click in, eh?
5.7, just barely. Right. If you hit it one more time with the plate, should be good. It's wet. It's really wet. Yeah. But I hit it. Give it one more shot with the plate. I'll hit that one and come back.
So George, you grab the compactor. Huh?
They have like radiation in them. I don't know what. It shoots a weird signal down the ground and like goes all around. And it's weird. I don't know why it's radioactive though.
I think I could feel it right now.
Yeah,
Like,
can you?
Because you ain't got no titties, huh?
this guy was checking me out hard.
Hey, now don't be putting your hate to shit I say on video.
Oh, too late.
No, for real.
Too late. You're funny as f. I don't think you realize how funny you are. You're gonna laugh your ass off. You see what you're gonna see.
They've poured a couple patches going down the street here, so go check out what the guys are doing. Just finishing up the curb piece. He's brushing, getting it done. And this is just the foundation too, so they're still gonna be doing asphalt. How you doing today?
Not too good.
Not too good.
Yeah.
Too cold?
Look the mess.
Right
there, you can see it.
Yeah.
That's a mess.
Yeah, it's big, man.
Too deep.
Oh, it's not touching you.
Frankie's gonna come with the machine. We're just gonna load it up and then
This is
throw the
all
extra.
day for all the time.
First we got the curb, and then he started doing that. By the time we were done with this, he was all the way right there at the manhole. We went and told him, no, man, it's base course. That's right, he stopped. No, we just raked all that shit down over there too, because it was way too high over there too. We told him it was base course, and then he said, is it the same over there?
Yeah,
We told him you could see the difference, and then that's when he spotted the difference.
It seems we have a failure to communicate. That's gnarly. Hey, sun's coming out. Hey, let's bring it in. Bring it in here. Oh, there she is. Woo! Oh, Sal's in it. Alright, so truck driver way overfilled this whole section, this whole patch. Sal's bringing in the loader to take a bucket out. And good lord, this guy does work. Look at this, what a machine. Absolute beauty, boys. That's nuts. Damn, dog. Ooh. Trucking. Absolute bananas. We'll be back. So what we do here, overfill it?
Somebody did. Actually worked it up.
This guy just doesn't stop. Mr. Buttery Biscuits putting on the finishing touches over here. You guys got unreal hands. Absolute sauce master.
Who did this? You guys what? Your state? I mean, who was in the truck? Who came with the truck? Nobody? Who moved the truck? Come on. Damn, man. Oh, damn.
Uh-oh. Absolute madman right now.
Was it the man Dan that did it? This is extra work for no reason.
Crazy. Damn. On to the next one, eh? What'd you got on the headphones?
Joe.
Joe! Oh!
Rogan.
How was his stand-up?
Awesome.
Hilarious?
Hilarious.
He's a savage.
It's funny. He's glad I went to that.
Hell yeah. I noticed the other dudes put these little stakes in at an angle. They're always at an angle.
It don't matter.
I don't know.
I don't like doing like that.
I don't know.
They get
Yeah.
like an inch less penetration. It don't
Ooh,
matter.
you know what I'm saying?
These-
Mr. City Inspector shut us down for a second. That last truck had to get out of here because there's too much air. Air is a chemical. Too much of the chemical air lowers the density of the curing cement. I feel like I'm on Discovery Channel. So what happens when there's too much air?
Makes concrete weak, kills your strength. 7.5. That's good. You need all that snow, wet snow like that. It gets out of aggregates, it changes your moisture content.
So is air essentially how moist the mix is?
You need air in your concrete for the freeze thaw portions of Michigan.
Helps.
You need to give it room
A little
to move.
expansion, okay.
You know, Texas or Hawaii or whatever, you gotta worry about it.
The man putting in work.
You can tell. It stopped snowing. It looks pretty nice out. We worked probably what? 10 trucks? I wasn't even over there. I was doing this for. Oh, they poured 140 yards today. You know, one of the trucks messed up. I don't know if he got on the camera. I wasn't over there. And they overfilled it, I guess. I wasn't over there. I've been doing this. I've been working by myself, grading it for them to come pour it. You know, stay tuned. Make sure you hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, comment, say what up.